In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Wix website to another user with the Wix editor. Transferring ownership of a website can seem like a daunting task, but I'm here to guide you through every step in a clear and straightforward way to ensure the process is as smooth as possible for you. First, we'll begin by heading over to Wix's website at wix.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Getting this first step done is crucial as it allows you access to all your projects. Now that you're on your Wix dashboard, look toward the top right of the screen and you'll notice a small arrow pointing downward. This is your menu for site management options. Go ahead and click on that drop-down arrow to explore more of the options available to you. After clicking the arrow, you'll want to select Go to All Sites. This option will direct you to a page listing all the websites you've created or have access to under this account. This particular view is essential as it gives you an overview and access to making changes or managing each separate site. Once you're seeing the full list of sites, simply choose the site you wish to transfer. Doing so will present you with more customized options specific to that particular site. You'll then want to seek out the Site Actions button, generally located near your site's name or under a menu attached to it. Clicking here exposes several management actions you can take, and the one we're interested in today is the Transfer Site option. When you select Transfer Site, a prompt will appear for you to enter the new site owner's email address. Carefully input the email address of the person who will be taking over the management of this website. Double-check the spelling here to avoid sending the transfer request to the wrong person. Next, you'll be prompted to provide some context by choosing an option that describes your relationship with the new owner. Options might include contractor, partner, or client. This step helps Wix understand the nature of the transfer and assists in proper communication between you and the new owner. After making your selection, click Continue to proceed. You'll then need to confirm that all the details you've provided are correct by clicking Continue once more. Finally, click Transfer Ownership to complete the process. This last step finalizes the ownership transfer, and the new owner will receive an email from Wix to accept the transfer and step into the new role. And there you have it, an easy and efficient way to transfer your Wix website to another user. Remember, during this process, patience is key, and double-checking details ensures everything transitions smoothly.